Uncle Sensei, how come Asian parents don't say I love you?
Ah, you asking the ancient forbidden question. Why Asian parents don't say, I love you? Ha! You think love is just 3 little English word? Please! My grandma survived war with 1 slipper and 2-sentence vocabulary. Let Uncle Sensei explain. In Asian house, I love you is have you eaten? I love you is wear jacket, even when it's 42 degrees and you already sweating like dumpling in sauna. I love you is silently appear at your door with plate of fruit, cut with MIT-level precision. Asian parents don't use word. They use gesture, body language, ninja movement. You sick? They boil soup that smell like herbal haunted house. You tired? They sneak money into your bag like Hong Kong gangster. You heartbroken? They say, Aya, why you like that useless boy?
Achoo, did someone talk about me?
But never, I love you, because that too emotional. They love you deep, but express like IKEA instruction manual. No words, just actions, confusion, and small screw missing. Even if you say I love you to them, they reply, okay la, then hand you Tupperware. Now, time for Uncle Sensei's words of wisdom. If your Asian parents slice fruit for you, that's not snack. That's emotional Morse code. They say, you are my everything, by being your personal Uber driver. They say, I'm proud of you, by yelling at you during dinner, then quietly slipping an extra chicken wing into your rice. So next time, say, I love you back, but also, cut them fruit first. That's how you speak their love language. Okay, I go now. I hear rustle of plastic bag. That means auntie bring dumplings. Bye-bye. Love you, but only in secret. No skip. You watch. Is family tradition.